Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will tell you how to get rid of lizards using this dye pepper spray. So friends, let's start the video. How to get rid of lizards in houses and prevent them from returning. Use pepper water as a safe to use trick. Mix some black pepper powder in water and spray the solution wherever you usually find the offending pet. It is said that pepper irritates lizards, so they are likely stay away from those spots. Tabasco sauce, chili flakes, and red chili powder work just as well for this dye. Way to how to get rid of lizards home remedy list. And the last ingredient, garlic and onion. Again and assault the lizard ants. Garlic and onion give off a pungent odor. This particular how to get rid of lizards in houses solution keeps the pet from inhabiting a corner or returning to it. Cloves of raw corner or returning to it. Cloves of raw garlic or a couple of onion slices can be placed in various corners of the home. Over time, you have get rid of the pungent smell, but it remains strong enough to make this a successful go-to option when thinking about how to keep lizards away. If you rather not leave the pieces about, you could add them to spray bottle with water to use as a handy repellent. If you have any question about this video, you ask me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my videos.